In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Evernote. We'll walk through the whole process together, step by step, so by the end you'll have your Evernote account ready to use for work and productivity. First, open your web browser and go to the Evernote website. You can do this by typing evernote.com into the address bar at the top of your browser window and pressing enter. Make sure you're on the official Evernote site so that your information is safe and you're using the correct service. Once the homepage loads, look for the option that says Start for Free. This is usually easy to spot near the center of the page or towards the top. Click on Start for Free. This option lets you begin using Evernote without paying up front, and you can always explore paid plans later if you need more features. After clicking Start for Free, you'll see different ways to use Evernote. Here, choose the option labeled For Work. Selecting For Work is ideal if you plan to use Evernote for professional tasks, team collaboration, or organizing projects. Go ahead and click on For Work to continue. Next, you'll be asked to select one option from the available choices. These may include things like the size of your team or how you plan to use Evernote, such as for a small team, a larger organization, or personal work use. Take a moment to read the descriptions that appear with each option. Choose the one that best matches your needs, and then click on it to proceed. Once you've made your selection, follow the on-screen prompts. This usually involves entering basic information such as your email address and creating a secure password, or signing in with an existing account provider if that's offered. Make sure you choose a strong password that you don't use anywhere else. You may also be asked for details about your team or workspace name if you're setting this up for work. Continue clicking through each step, carefully reading any instructions or fields you need to fill out. If there are checkboxes for terms of service or privacy policies, review them and then confirm when you're ready. When you finish all the prompts, Evernote will create your account and take you into your new workspace, where you can start creating notes, organizing tasks, and collaborating with others.